In this video, I'm going to show you how to add money to your PayPal balance using the PayPal mobile app. There's a few different ways that you can deposit money to PayPal, but the most useful and the easiest way is by adding it using a bank card. So we'll first look at how to add a bank card to your account if you haven't done that already. First, with the PayPal app open, tap Wallet down here at the bottom right of the screen. Down at the bottom, if you already have cards or banks attached to your account, you'll see them there. If not though, tap the plus sign or add banks and cards here at the top. We're going to be adding a card, so tap debit and credit cards and then choose the option that you want to use in this menu. Once you enter your card's info, you may be asked to confirm that it's actually you, but after that, your card will be attached to your PayPal account. Now we can go ahead and add money to the PayPal account using that card. Back on the home screen, you'll see PayPal balance here at the top. Choose Add Money. Here are the different options you have to add money to your account. You can transfer from the card or the bank that we just set up, but you also have a couple other options. You can actually deposit cash by going to a store that's listed in the options near you and showing them your PayPal barcode that's generated. If you do use this option though, it does take 15 minutes and there is a processing fee and a daily limit. Back on the Add Money menu, I'm going to go ahead and select Bank or Debit Card. Enter the amount of money that you want to add to your PayPal balance and then hit Next. If you've added your card and a bank account, then you're going to have a couple different options. Transferring using your debit card is instant, but in the past and on certain accounts will have a fee, and the bank will take 3 to 5 days. Make your choice and then hit Add Now at the bottom. Your money will then begin the transfer to your account. And since I transferred using my debit card, you'll see that the money is already in my PayPal balance. And that's how you add money to your PayPal account.